Hello, this is Ebben Jocelyn with LaserPro's technical support showing a common ADF maintenance kit replacement procedure for many HP printers. To remove the ADF pickup roller assembly, open the gem access cover, open the roller access cover to remove and replace the roller. To remove the ADF separation pad, press the locking tab to remove and replace. To reset the ADF kit counter, scroll to and select Supplies. Select the settings icon in the lower left corner. Select Reset Supplies, then New Document Feeder Kit. When finished, print out a supply status page to confirm the resets worked correctly.
Thank you for watching. For more tech tip videos and other reference materials, go to laserpros.com and visit our technical resource section.